In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can export to Excel on monday.com. So this is actually super easy, but if you don't know how to do that, this is the perfect short tutorial video for you. What you want to do first, make sure you are in your monday.com board. It will look something like this in your workspace, and I'm in this board. And if you want to export this to Excel, that's pretty easy. You want to go to the top, to these three dots right here. Then you want to go all the way down till you see more actions, and here the second option is already export board to Excel. So you can not only do this with boards, also with the complete workspace, and I guess also the assignments, just the assignments one by one. But if you just hit this button, we can hit export. And as you can see now, they're going to bring all the data together to export it to an Excel file. So this can take a few moments depending on how big your or your board is. As you can see, this is a brand new board. Shouldn't take too long, but it can definitely take some time. If this video has helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.